Let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into it. I use this kind of pasta. It's pretty good. Barilla. Wait for your water to be boiling really good, and then you're gonna put some salt and olive oil in there. Drop your pasta. Always read what the box says. It tells you for how long the pasta should be in there to cook. You don't want to have mushy noodles. We're gonna be cooking this pasta al dente, which is a term they use in Italy. You'll see by the end of this video, we're gonna recook the pasta. While the pasta is doing its thing, we're just gonna put some olive oil in the pan, get our base ready for our sauce. You're gonna want your heat here, medium-high heat. What I used is basically 2 tomatoes. I used about half of a red onion, which I don't know why they call it a red onion when it's purple. But I used a little bit of green and red bell pepper as well, and about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. You're gonna wait till this cooks down a little bit. Once it does, you're gonna drop 24 ounces. I'm using marinara here, but you could use any type of sauce. Most people just use a sauce when they make pasta, but you know, if you just take a little bit more time, put some peppers in there, onions, some garlic, mix it in with the sauce, you're guaranteed to have a much better flavor. Now you just put it on low simmer. Let those herbs and seasonings marry together. Take your pasta out and drain. Put cool water over it so it stops the cooking process. I probably should have kept some of the pasta water, it would have came handy. I got my hand blender here, just blending the sauce a little bit. Any chunks or big pieces, it's gonna blend it right up, make the sauce smooth. Now that the sauce is done, we're gonna get our chicken ready. I had some chicken thighs marinating inside of the fridge for about a day. You could use any seasonings on it that you want. You know, I use sazon, pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder. After putting the olive oil inside of the air fryer, as you see, I'm grabbing the chicken, I'm putting it face down. I'm gonna put my oil in here and then set it to 400 degrees on air fry. This isn't gonna take long. You just have to keep track of the time here. About 8 to 12 minutes or so. And then just check them out and flip them. Now we're gonna get the pasta ready. So just put a little bit olive oil in the pan. Drop your pasta in there. It's already semi-cooked, but it's gonna finish cooking here. Get some of your sauce. Put as much as you want in there. I put about 2 to 3 scoops. This is where that pasta water would have came handy. At this point, it's like a medium-high heat. You're gonna want to keep stirring here. Now let's check on the chicken. After it was flipped over on 400 degrees, about 10 minutes, they should look like this. Just make sure you keep checking it. You don't want to burn them. Now let's get this plate prepared. We're gonna cut our chicken in pieces, however you like. I added some parmesan romano on top. Once you have the cut up chicken on there, you can add a little bit more of that sauce and then finished off with some parsley. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to see what I'm going to make next time.